Okay guys, the final train, and it is the Devil Train. That's right, number LNR 4472, the Flying Scotsman. This rolling road is the only thing she seems to run on, so and even now she's encountering problems. So I will be on hand, quite literally, to make sure you see her running properly as she should. May have to hold her down as she goes, but we'll just have to see what she does. Okay, this video may turn out to be longer, but that's because of the fact of what she is, a devil train. I do apologise for my grubby thumbs being in the way, but that's the only way that she seems to run properly. So this is possibly your only chance to see her running properly. So well, running as she should, rather. I am extremely disappointed that she doesn't run on my layout in the attic. I honestly am. Okay guys, so that was the Devil Train 4472 Flying Scotsman. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm sorry about the beginning, but that's just the way she is. I hope you've enjoyed the videos. If you haven't seen any of the trains, then look here for a link back to the video where you can select more. Okay? Thanks for watching guys. Leave your comments or views on it in the comment section below, and I'll get that notice uploaded as soon as I can. So I'm sorry about the length of the video once again, and I'll see you later, guys.